Hey guys, Cornerzoid here with Hooked on History. Today we're metal detecting at that 1600s house that we got permission at not too long ago. But we just got first signal, didn't even find it yet. But believe it or not, we just pulled out the first piece of a pipe stem that we've ever found. That is so cool.
Took 5 years. And I do have a signal in here. Do you have your little digger?
Yeah. Hold on. Can you hold the camera just for a minute? Alright guys, so we just dug this signal about 4 or 5 inches deep. I thought it was a little bullet because it's heavy, it's filled with dirt. But it's actually, I started rubbing it with my thumb a little bit, and it's a little tiny thimble. See, look. It's starting to come through.
That's cool.
Yeah. Very cool.
I bet it wasn't a silver one.
Yeah. God, you hear that squirrel? It's like screeching. Could it be iron? Do they make iron thimbles? I'm not sure. Because it's kind of corroded and it's heavy.
We'll have to clean it and see exactly where it is.
Yeah, but look at how tiny. Pretty cool. Definitely old. See you on the next. Alright guys, we just dug about a 4-inch nickel tone. Yeah, there's nothing else. And I think we got a buffalo nickel. Take a closer look. Oh, it was hit with a lawnmower. Yeah, it's a buffalo.
Nice.
See if we can get a date. It is... that's my phone. I can't see one right now, but I do see the Indian head. Maybe we'll be able to get one when we get home. Maybe it's a slick. See, there's the Indian. There's the buffalo. Cool. Haven't found one of these in a while. We'll see you guys on the next. Just dug 3 inches deep. Found a cool little old buckle. Cool. See you on the next. Alright guys, we are literally right on the side of the driveway. And I think we just dug a 2-inch silver. Is it?
I'm gonna be really bummed, Joe, if it's not.
It's a freaking penny. It had that color.
You know, I gotta leave that in the movie.
Oh my god. What year even is it? 1960? 60 something. My god. See ya. Alright guys, we just dug about 4 inches deep. And it looks like we just found a little lead dog. I'm gonna spray it off. Hold on 1 second. Camera down. Okay.
Did you film?
Yeah, I'm filming right now. Yeah, that's what it is. That's pretty cool. Never found one of those before. At least not a dog. Cool. 4 inches deep. See you guys on the next. Alright guys, I think we just found silver. And I think this time it's really silver. Oh yep, it's a Merc.
Sweet.
Alright, let's flip it over. Let's spray it. Can you hold that for 1 second? Spray bottle out. Probably at the bottom of my bag. Yep. Alright.
You know there's gotta be silvers along these old walkways. We're right about 4 feet from the road. That's our MO, we love the road.
Let's get a date. Looks like it's gonna be an older one. It is 1917.
Nice.
And it's an S.
I know. Oh, wow.
1917 S.
Sweet.
And it's in pretty good shape. And look.
Wait till the Harley goes by.
Yeah.
Here, you want to hold it?
Sure.
So you can get a good close up.
That's awesome.
It's daylight.
What is this silver number? I think 40 or 40 something. Me neither.
Behind.
Yeah. That's cool though. See you guys on the next. Number 2. Just dug about 4 inches deep. And plopped out another Merc.
Nice.
1945. Wow, this one came out nice and shiny. No dirt stuck to it.
I thought that was a barber when I first looked at the edge.
Awesome. Scraped it a tiny bit on the edge, but it's alright. Could have been a lot worse. Awesome. See you guys on the next.
Wait.
Oh, what?
Screamer.
I guess this one's the next. Hold on. I'll put you guys right there for a second. Just gotta clean up this hole.
Hard time pinpointing this one. I think there's something else over here, so.
Number 3, except it's not a coin this time. We got sterling jewelry, a little handcuff. Never seen one of these before. Sterling handcuff. Awesome. Right here in the plug, 2 inches deep. See you on the next. We have visitors.
Yeah, look at them. Those are like...
A ton of them right there, too.
Ducks on steroids, man. Might want to keep that rolling.
Alright. Look, they're just meeting in the middle of the street.
And here comes cars.
Oh god. We now have people yelling at ducks in the street.
That's
regular
funny,
penny.
Man.
Like traffic has stopped. They moved. Yeah. All right. See you on the next.